Are you ready to learn how to load credit cards safely? You're in the right place. Loading credit cards can be crucial for carders, loaders, and newbies. This tutorial will show you how to do it easily in 2024. First, let's discuss the importance of loading credit cards. Carders can top up low-balance cards without needing personal information. Just the credit card number is sufficient. For loaders, you can load a credit card multiple times. This method is also applicable for equity lines of credit. Newbies can take control and avoid losing money to unreliable loaders. Now, let's go over the tools you need. You'll want a reliable SOX 5 IP, a bank log with email access, and the credit card you're loading. Let's get started with the loading process. 1. Log in to your bank account. 2. Click on Bill Pay in the navigation bar. 3. Scroll down to locate Credit Cards in the sidebar. 4. Select the credit card option that you want to load. 5. Enter the credit card number. The name is optional, so you can skip it. 6. Input the amount you wish to load onto the card. 7. Click on Make Payment. 8. Payment is done. And there you have it. This method is simple and effective. You don't even need extra information. To wrap up, you now know how to load credit cards without relying on others. Take charge, save time, and avoid unnecessary fees. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to click below and subscribe to my filmmaking channel. Start your journey today.